Greetings once again, my fellow YouTube watch enthusiasts, Facebook watch enthusiasts, and watch enthusiasts watching from whatever platform you found me. Today I do another video, another unboxing. There's the box right there. Of a watch that I saw one of my other watch enthusiasts unbox and just loved it so much I had to copy him again. Yeah, I'm shameless. I'll admit it. I see a watch somebody else has, and sometimes I just want it, and I go ahead and get it for myself. So, anyway, before I take this out of the box, just my standard disclaimer. This watch, as well as every other watch that you see on my channel, whether it's an unboxing or a overview of a specific brand collection I have, those watches are all mine. They were bought with my money. They were bought by me, for me. Nobody gave me the watch. Nobody has told me what to say or not to say. So all opinions that I give of watches are mine. If I like them, I say so. If I don't like them, I say so. If I like something, I say so. If I don't like something, I say so. So, with that out of the way, what do we got? Well, got this one off of eBay. Got it at a good price. I want to thank the seller for working with me on it and gave me a good price. And it is an Orient. This will be my second Orient. You might remember my first Orient was a Flytech, which came from Brazil 6 weeks after I ordered it. But this one came from Los Angeles, and it arrived in 4 days. So, USPS is better than Brazilian Post. Gee, that's an easy accomplishment. But I'm not going to go there again. Let's open up the outer box to expose the inner box. And put that over here. Yeah. So, we have the inner box. Kind of a nice coated cardboard feeling box with nice metal with the Orient logo on it. And what do we got inside? Wish I had a copy of a drum roll somewhere, but I don't. So, da-da-da! We have the watch. We'll get that in a minute. We have in the box, we have stuffed in there real good is the instruction book and another booklet. What do we got? Goes over the instructions and what is this? International guarantee. Okay. Nice box. Simple presentation. Very nice. I've said it before. I'm all about the presentation. And this one is a pretty good one. So, we have the watch. And as you can see, we get rid of the pillow. And put the box to the side. We have an Orient. We have a Sun and Moon. Which, yes, my friend Devor, my favorite Croatian, did this one. And I like it so much, I decided that I want one too. Because, you know, I don't have a lot of what I would call formal watches. And this one looked really good to me, especially with the deploy clasp, which I'm all about the deploy clasps now. And I didn't start out being a big fan of rose gold, but I've become a fan of rose gold. I think you can thank Filippo Loretti for that mostly, but also my father giving me a watch about this time last year, one of his that he got tired of, and it was rose gold, and I've just been a big fan ever since. Now let's see, we've got this little tag which is going to be an issue because it's tied on there pretty good. So we're going to make a lot of people mad right now, and we're going to snip it. Goodbye. Oh, here's the part number. FAK00001Y0. This is a version 3 Sun Moon Orient, and it is the rose gold coated stainless steel with the cream face. Now, let's get some statistics out of the way for you while I admire the face of the watch. See, I wrote them down here. As I said, it is an Orient Sun Moon. It is 42.5 millimeters in diameter. It is 14 millimeters thick. It is a 50-meter water resistance rating. It is a rose gold coated 316L stainless steel case. 22 millimeter lug width. Leather band with the rose gold deploy clasp, which I love these things. Let's see, the movement is an Orient movement. Orient does their own movements. It is a F6B24 hacking automatic. It has a 40-hour power reserve, and it has a lovely sapphire crystal. And let's see, I believe that's day of the week here on this outer one, and today is Wednesday. And oops, well, now we know it was in the evening when I started this, so we're going to rotate this around, and as you can see, the subdial here that indicates sun and moon is now with the sun all the way up, and it is a little after 4 o'clock local time here in the afternoon, so let's get it right there. Oh, yeah, we've got to reset the date to Wednesday. And hang on just a minute. Now let's see, where's the date? Is down there, and that's wrong too. So that's the date down here at the 7 o'clock position. And we went the wrong way on the crown. And today is March 7th, 2018. And I've just set my watch. So, give it 20 cranks to get her going. And the thing that attracted me when I saw the other video by DeVore was like he said, the unusual layout of the subdials here at the I guess you would call it the 10:15 position, or let's call it 10 o'clock, and the 5 o'clock position, you know, crossing like that, instead of, I think version 2 had them side by side and the Orient logo somewhere else. And I like this layout better because, quite frankly, because it's different. And a nice big wide date window, which I really like myself. And let's see, we've got an exhibition back, and it's up at the top. It says Epson. I thought Epson was a printer company, but maybe they have something to do with Orient. Let's see, it says Movement Japan. And what else does it say? That's the part number right there, I believe. Or maybe that's a serial number. No, doesn't look like the part number, does it? No, a number. And let's see, water resistant to 50 meter and stainless steel. And as you can see, it has on the weight, it says Orient with the logo and other bits of information. And it just looks with a looks great. Screw down backing, and I think, as I said, it was a hack movement. Let's check that. Yep, as you can see, the second hand stopped, so it is a hacking movement. I don't know if it's terribly important to anybody, but nice to know if you, like me, are interested in this watch for yourself. Let's see. And the deploy clasp. I've not done one of these on camera before, so pardon my fumbling around here without stabbing myself, perhaps. You know, if you're going to copy somebody else's purchase, maybe you should pay attention to it when they do it. Oh, there you go. Hey, it has push buttons on the side. Go figure. Let's see. I'm going to put this. Let's try it right there. See if that works. Buckle's a little. And the strap is a little stiff. But, oh, I think I hit it first time. Yeah. Well, that looks good on the wrist, doesn't it? I like that. I love the, right here, as you can see, that kind of, there's a word for it, a brioche, whatever. I don't know the name of it, but that little kind of pattern built into the inner part of the dial, that just looks great to me. I just like that. That was one of the things actually that attracted me to this watch when I saw it in Devore's video, was just that the face of this thing really looked good to me. So that's one of the reasons I decided to pick it up for myself. Gonna have to work that band a little bit to unstiffen it, but it fits very well, very comfortable. I wear my watches a little high on my wrist. People wear them down here, with the crown kind of digging in right about there. I've never ever worn a watch that low on my wrist. So this for me is just the perfect spot right here. So happy with that. Open her up, get her off. So very happy with this purchase. It's got good weight to it, good thickness, very, very pretty watch. Going to make a good semi-formal dressy watch kind of thing. But not so bad that I couldn't wear it every day. Which, considering the number of watches I own, I don't wear just one watch every day. I've been known to put 3 or 4 on at different times during the day. So this is definitely going to go into the rotation and be up there fairly high. So that's all I've got for this. I'm very happy with the watch. I can find no real issue with it. What a great shine the case has and all that. I have nothing negative to say about it. I mean, it's a good pickup for me. and definitely going to enjoy this watch for a good long time. And we'll just break the band in and it'll be just perfect. So that's all I really have. I'm going to wrap the video up with my standard, if you like the video, I would ask of you to give me a like. Leave comments, either positive or negative, at the bottom. I read all the comments. I respond to all the comments. Ask you not to be terribly nasty on them. This is try to be a family-friendly channel. And if you wish, please welcome new subscribers. I'm always happy and flattered when you do subscribe, because I do unboxing videos as often as I can. And that's it. Another watch will be unboxed very soon. So I will look forward to talking to you in the next one.